Huwag kang matakot. Everything will be okay. Oh, no, don't do that. Huwag mong tanggalin yan. Please. Magpagaling ka muna, please. Save your strength para sa surgery.
Patricia.
Ano ba yun, Ramir? May masakit ba sa'yo?
Si Lilet.
Ramir, tsaka na lang natin pag-usapan si Lilet. Magpagaling ka muna, please.
Kailangan niyo malaman.
What is it? Ano kailangan kong malaman? Ano yun?
Si Lilet. Anak siya ni Meredith Simmons. Si Meredith Simmons ang nanay ni Lilet.
Meredith Simmons?
Here you go. An unusual turn of events na kanina. You really saw Ramir sa courthouse? And right before you were about to talk to him, he collapsed? I hope he's okay. Good thing that he was taken to the hospital immediately.
Nagtulungan yung mga tao doon. And Lilet was even there. Siya nagdala sa ospital.
Si Lilet?
Doc, kamusta yung lagay ng asawa ko? Is he going to be all right?
Medyo critical po ang lagay niya. He suffered an acute myocardial infarction. Meron pong severe na blockages ang kanyang coronary arteries.
Then do something, anything. Gamutin niyo yung asawa ko, pagalingin niyo siya. Doc, please, nakikiusap ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, kung anong mangyayari sa asawa ko. Pati anak ko na ngayon nandito sa ospital ngayon, please.
Look, magkoconduct kami ng coronary bypass heart surgery. Pine-prepare lang namin siya for the procedure.
Bypass surgery? Hindi ba delikado yun?
Diretsahin na kita, Mrs. The risk of complications is much higher because the surgery will be done as an emergency procedure. Gagawin namin ang lahat ng aming makakaya. Pero hindi lang namin magagarantiya na maililigtas namin ang buhay niya.